whenever you create a pop network, it's going to come with this merge node. And this will allow you to add, merge different things. Right now, we're just using one pop source, but you can have multiple. Let's take advantage of that. Let's say we want to create, let's create a copy of this, and we'll call these the big particles, big sparks, and this is going to be called small sparks. Each one of these pop sources are going to be generating what's called a pop stream. And a pop stream is, as you can see here on the birth, on the pop source, you have a stream. And the stream will inherit by default. It's configured in a way that it will inherit the pop source name, the operator name. So if we go up, you'll see that the particles that are coming out of here, they will have 2 point groups, stream big sparks and stream source first input, which is the other one that we didn't change the name yet. At least we didn't update it yet. Okay, so, and this is going to be merged here. Take that into account. Okay, 2 streams. Each stream is going to generate its own point groups. Now, the cool thing about this is that we can have completely different characteristics here, and all the operators that we use along the stream before merging it with the other one are only going to be affecting these particles. Okay, so right now we don't have pop wind or pop color affecting these particles, and that's why we see some of them are white. If we want stuff to apply to both streams, then we need to grab them and place them after. Okay, and that way they will affect both streams. Now they're exactly the same. That's not a great idea. So the idea for these small sparks is that they will have kind of a smaller lifespan. Let's say 0.1 and here 0.5, something like that. Maybe even less, 0.75, 0.75, and here 0.05. So they'll live less, they will die quicker. And here on the attributes, let's give them also less speed. I'm gonna scale the inherited velocity to 0.8. And let's reduce this to 1.5, 1.5, 1.5. And we should now have 2 different groups. Another thing we can do is here on the seed, let's just change the seed to make sure that they're not exactly the same here. And that's basically it. I would like to have them be more projected towards the front here. So I'm going to go to the big sparks attributes and kind of just mess with these values until I'm satisfied with the result. I'll disable this one for a moment. Yeah, maybe we can scale it a bit more. Okay, maybe add a bit more variance as well. Maybe not pull them as much as down. So here maybe -4. Yeah, so I'll use these as reference for the other ones, the pop small. Let me just, I think the easiest way is actually to just copy this name, delete, and create a new copy, connect it here, change the name, Control V, and we'll just change the characteristics. So here, I'm going to go to 0.75, 0.05. And on the speed, I also wanted less, so 2.5 with the variance of 2, 2, 2, maybe 1.5. And I think this is gonna look good. Let's have a look at the result with this. Okay, if we need to change it, we'll change it. Looking at this from this angle, I wouldn't mind having the sparks spread out a bit more. This is a good frame for me to check that out. So I'll try to spread them a bit more, particularly here on the sparks. Let's go 5, 5, 5. I'm increasing the variance, so this will mean that we'll have some more craziness going on. So this is the frame that I was checking. Go up, 41. Okay, so now we have a bit more.